we got our wheels getting made right now. However, we did the chrome wheels. If we do another color, we can get them back like literally soon as heck. But I don't know. I think I want to do the chrome one on this one too. So we'll see what's up. Meanwhile, I think it's time to get that thing fired up, man. So I'm gonna pull it out and we're gonna hear this thing rumble. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing pulled out, cleaned up, looking good. Got the new parts on there. Now I don't know how well this might work, or might not work rather. Still getting no battery at all. No power at all, dog. At all. Even with this thing on. Let's see, maybe we not on it. Looks like we're on it. Oh, we got some power now. There we are, 39,000 milas. Let's see. We're getting some burnage over here. Hold up. Get a good ground. Yeah, I think this battery might be a little too dead. We can probably pop the seat off and get a battery, like a direct contact, but I don't think it's gonna be much better than that, honestly. So we might have to just get a battery for this one, but no big deal. For the most part, it is looking pretty clean, man. I ain't gonna even hold you. Can't wait to throw them chrome lowers on there. I think it's gonna bring it all out with that wraparound. Ooh wee. I guess since we don't start, man, we can fish this battery out, go use it as like a core, and go get a new one. Then as I'm taking off the seat, I mean, I noticed it was like a regular black seat, but you guys know Mustang seats are like one of the best seats you can get. So I'm pretty sure this thing is really, really comfortable, man. Can't wait to see how that thing feels and how that thing rides, but we're gonna fish out this battery though. And just like that, we got our new battery here. Time to get that thing inserted and get this thing fired up. All right, man, so we got our battery in here now. Let's see. Got the loud pipes on there. I don't know what kind of pipes these are, but they sound pretty cool. Y'all let me know. It's got a C and an arrow. Not really sure, but it sounds pretty beefed up. Let's see. Yeah, it sounds real good. I ain't gonna even hold you. That thing sounds amazing. Yeah, man. I think this one's ready to go. Clean title, 2014 Road King from Copart. Looks really freaking amazing. Let's see if the lights work. I don't think that's the lights. Yeah, there we go. There we go, Jack. That's dope. I'm excited, man. Let me know what y'all think about this joint in the comments below. It is sounding amazing. I'm digging it. Man, I ain't gonna even hold y'all. We on this one today, man. So I'm gonna grab this helmet and grab this GoPro. I think we about to slide, man. This thing feels and sounds amazing. I can't wait, man. We ain't rode in a minute anyway. Meanwhile, we did pull up on our Camaro. Check it out. I guess we can get a cold start just because we don't want this thing to die on us. Check it out. Okay. So, alrighty guys, later on in the day here, man, we about to crank this thing up and go for a first ride. So here we are. Let's see. Alright, man, we already did the sound clip, so we gonna hop right on this thing and dig, man. Y'all about to get on the GoPro. was stuck. Oh man, that was spooky. Oh, that was freaking spooky. Man, that was a freaking fun ride, man. Y'all see me trying to get through this freaking dirt. Usually it's like packed in. Today, whole different story. I swear to you, I thought I was freaking stuck. It was the softest dirt I ever been in a Harley. Like, you literally gotta barely ease on that clutch. Otherwise, I would have been buried in like 2 seconds. But this thing is a beauty, man. Riding really good, sounding even better. Like, I like this little piece right here. It makes the throttle movement that much easier. But I can't wait to see this thing on some chrome lowers. Now that I'm riding this thing and enjoying it, I definitely want to put a different paint job on this thing, man. This navy blue and like black pinstripe is cool, but it's so 2014, man. It needs that everything's regular special. That's what I'm thinking, at least. So I think us knowing that it's a really good running bike so far is a plus. So I think when I get back to the house, I'm gonna start breaking it down so we can send it to Antonio, man. I already got a color scheme in mind, so I think I'm gonna go with that route, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. You guys know we about to have the wheels, the chrome lowers, and pretty much just bring this thing to life, man. This first ride really made me just want to do it. At first I was like, it doesn't really need a paint job, which it doesn't. I mean, it's a pretty solid bike as it is, but just knowing me, man, I want to see where I can take this thing, man. So without further ado, you guys already know, man, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway, man, we are giving away my 2021 Road Glide Special and this 2014 Road King, man. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy a red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. We're giving away 2 bikes. Yes, both of them, man. If you buy one, you can win either one. If you buy 2, you may be lucky enough to win both of them, man. So the choice is yours, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get back to this ride, dog. Alrighty, guys, we just made it back to the crib. That was a fun ride. It wasn't too hot, so that's always a plus. Really fun, nice riding and sounding bike, man. I'm in love with it. But you guys know we got to throw that Everything's Regular taste on there, man. So I'm probably going to hit a reset, come out later on and break this thing down, man, and we'll get these parts to Antonio. But if you guys haven't entered for the giveaway, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy a red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and you'll be entered to win this Road King and have a chance at winning this Road Glide Special. Yes, both of them are on the same ballot, man. You buy one, you get a chance to win either one. You buy 2, you get a chance to win both of them, man. So go ahead and enter while you can, man. I can't wait. And these wheels are done, guys. So next time we go to LA, we'll pick up these wheels and that thing will look that much better. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. You guys seen we picked up this 2014 Road King right here, man. Looks really good, cleaned up really nicely, and rode even better, man. I'm liking this bike. I can't wait to throw my taste on it, man. You guys already seen we put the windshield on there, we put the new crash bar on there. Also, we got a wraparound for it already. So when we take this paint set off, we're gonna have our rims and everything on this bike flow, man. I can't wait to throw my taste on it, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Go enter the giveaway while you can. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.